back in my garden here in East Sussex, where over the years I've been working away to create a beautiful outside space, rustic and full of charm. Now, we've had a great question come in from Bhavini in Milton Keynes, and she's asked how to build a pergola. Now, this isn't something I've tackled myself in my garden, but I'm willing to give it a go, and I'm up for the challenge. This is where my new pergola is going to go. So I've cleared away the gravel from this area, and I've made sure it's square by measuring diagonally from one side to the other, and again from the other diagonal. And if that measurement is the same, you've got a true square to work with. It's time to put in the upright post. Now, this is a job that will probably take you a weekend as you're working with concrete and you want those posts to set. So put some time aside and tackle it over the course of a couple of days. I'm digging around 60 centimetres deep. Because they're quite big posts, they're about 6 inches by 6 inches, you need enough of it in the ground for stability reasons. So we're going to dig a big hole. Requires a lot of forearm and shoulder work, and you quickly start to see progress with your digging. This is sweaty business, digging these holes because of the ground that I'm dealing with. But at home, you might have soft clay or sand and you'll make light work of this. For now, we've got a little while to dig, so I'm going to crack on. I'm just manoeuvring this post into position, making sure it's square with my string line before I put in some rapid setting concrete to fix it in place, essentially. So we're going to get it in roughly there or thereabouts, put my concrete in, and then I'm just going to hold it. I'm going to hug it like this until it's set in position, and then this post will dictate the rest of the heights for my next post to come. So let's get going. I want to make sure it's vertically plumb both this way on this edge as well as this surface here. So I wiggle it into position whilst the mix is dry. Then I'm going to pour some water in, so that will start making it go off. I'm just going to hug it for a little bit, make sure it doesn't move, and then we'll move on to the next post. And there we go. That's vertically plumb and it's perfect. Now, if you're working with large posts like this, it's worth getting an extra pair of hands. That's one thing I've learned so far with my pergola build. Right, so that's the last roofing slat in. Now, to fix the roofing slats, I used these little channels here, so a bit of 2x2 timber, and I fixed it just on the underside of both the front and rear bearer. And that gives a little platform to then fix my roofing slats onto. So it's fairly straightforward. Once I had the upright posts in and they were all set in concrete, the rest of it took about 24 hours to complete. Simply pre-drill some holes, put some vine eyes in, and then use some wire tensioners and galvanized wire to make sure I had a sturdy support for my climbing plants. Now, all that's left to do is to dress it up, tie in some of my climbing and rambling roses, and put some pots around the base, and then we can sit back and enjoy this space all summer long. A pergola is a great addition for any garden. It's a great way to frame a view, grow some of your favorite climbing plants, and a way to express your personality through painting funky colors or hanging festoon lighting, so you can make the space your own. So whether you're looking to add structure, shade, or a little bit of style to your garden, then a pergola is a great DIY garden project to transform a corner of your outside space.